This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off Steam News Pop-up. To turn off News Pop-up, launch Steam application and make sure to sign into your Steam account. Now, click on this Steam menu. Click on Settings. Here select Interface. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get this option: notify me about additions or changes to my games, news releases and upcoming releases. So to turn off Steam pop-up news, you have to disable this option, and that's it. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.